What's up, everybody? It's me, Linville Gorge, back here with another hiking vlog. I haven't done an actual just hiking vlog in like a very long time. We picked like the perfect day to come out here. I got my boy Caden.
Bundled up out here.
Yeah, it's actually really cold. It's in the 40s right now. But yeah, I mean, absolutely like perfect fall foliage right now in Linville Gorge. Yeah, we're gonna hop in and then go to this hike because I haven't done this hike before. I'm doing Babel Tower. It's a pretty popular hike. Nice little like cliffside that looks down the gorge to Table Rock, and then you have like the river down. It's gonna be sick. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so we're starting out on the trail. Honestly, like once you're in the trees, it's not that cold just because the wind's not blowing.
The winds would make it cold out here.
Yeah, but without the wind, it's
really not that bad.
You know, it's all right. It's chilly, but I mean, it's cold for mid-October, but in the grand scheme of things, it's not that cold. I mean, just look at these like leaves, dude. Perfect time of the year to come do this hike. So far the trail's pretty standard. I mean, it's just a trail in the woods, nothing to really write home about, nothing too special here. But where we're going is why we're doing this trail. So I think we're almost there, maybe, I don't know. We're about halfway, I'd say, about halfway. This is a super cool little spot that I'm at, and you get to go all the way up there, which is where we're going. But it's like all these little like rock hops that you have to do to get around here. All these little boulders, and then all the way up there is Babel Tower. I think I could see it, and Linville River's down there. Kind of see it. We're gonna get a better view of it here in a minute. I don't know where Caden went. I think he's already heading that way towards the tower. So hopefully we're going the right way. It's a pretty strenuous part of this trail here. There was two ways to go, and I picked this way because I thought this goes up to like the lookout, but it's pretty pretty rugged. A lot of rocks. I'm trying to be careful as I just slipped. Caden just slipped.
And
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Freaking tripod. All right, we made it to the top. Yeah, this is it. Woo. This is the Linville River. Right there is Table Rock. Been up there a few times. This is Hawksbill, I'm pretty sure, but I haven't been there yet, which is on my list. Beautiful view, dude. Beautiful with the colors and everything.
spicy.
Spicy. Man, this is like Honestly, this is freaking amazing. This is way better than I thought it was gonna be. I saw this view on all trails, but it hits different in person. It's a lot higher up than I thought it was. And you get a perfect view of Table Rock. I mean, like, that's perfect. What do you think, Caden?
Very nice.
Very
it's nice to sit down,
Yeah,
take it in.
it is nice. Hike wasn't honestly that bad. It was a little longer than I thought it was gonna be, but it wasn't that bad because we were going down into the gorge. Now the hike back to the car is probably gonna be a little harder because we're going up. Hike here, we were going down. All right, so that was a great little hike out here to Babel Tower in Linville Gorge. We're gonna head out now and we're gonna go eat some lunch, and then we're gonna go on another little adventure to another spot. It's not really much of a hike, but it's a very popular spot in Linville Gorge, and I think you can see it right over there, right there. So we're gonna go over there, see what the hype's about, but first we're gonna eat, so see you then. Alright, so we ended up deciding to not go to that one place that I told you that we were gonna go because we ate a bunch of Mexican food and now we feel fat and we don't feel like hiking like a lot, so we're going to an easier hike to one of my favorite spots out here in Linville Gorge, and we're just in time because the sun is setting and this is like a perfect spot for sunset. Yes, guys, oh my goodness. So if you haven't figured it out already, we're at the Chimneys in Linville Gorge. We were somewhere over there earlier. We were gonna go to Hawksbill, but we decided to go here because we kind of wanted to not climb a mountain after we ate. And I think it was the right choice because like, this is perfect. Beautiful lighting. Alright, so we were gonna keep going, but the sun's getting kind of low and we gotta use the bathroom. And we don't feel like using the bathroom that's at the parking lot. If you've been here, you know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna go ahead and head out before it gets dark on us, and it's really cold. But I mean, awesome adventure today. If you guys haven't been to Linville Gorge, I highly recommend it if you're in North Carolina, because it's, in my opinion, probably the most spectacular place in North Carolina. So yeah, if you guys are around here and you have been here, highly suggest that you come check out these places that I went to. And yeah, with all that said, I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Peace out and live cosmic. So, what you doing?
Come on. Let's get some shots.
Just getting some shots.